Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to bypass character AI NSFW filter. So what you need to do for that process is click open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in beta.character.ai and press enter. This will open the official web page. And there you need to get logged into the account of yours. So Character AI basically is an innovative chatbot web application that uses natural, neutral language model to create human-like text response. And it's making wave in the world of AI, artificial intelligence. The AI utilizes large language models that focus on speech part and use them in deep machine learning. Likewise, the NSFW, that is not safe for work filter on Character AI, is a very important part of regulating conversation and keeping harmful subjects from coming up. While some says that it appreciates its role and is maintaining a respectful platform, whereas some imposes this as a unnecessary restriction. But there are few ways for bypassing the NSFW filter in Character AI. This is a tricky task, but with a little patience and careful maneuvering, it can be done easily. So the few ways how you can bypass Character AI filter is you need to utilize out of character technique, that is OOC. One of the popular ways to break the filter is by using the OOC technique, where you need to communicate with the AI bot using parentheses as if you're talking to a human. You need to twist and turn your word and avoid vulgar language and use safe for work alternative. Then you can bypass the Character AI filter over here. You can also try a jailbreak prompt as well. You can use a specific prompt to deactivate the filter on the app. This technique involves a very careful wording. So while you use this prompt, you need to be very careful and you need to customize according to your requirement. The third step for this is you need to rephrase prohibited terms and avoid explicit language. While doing any chat, you need to engage in a chat and you need to use code word or alternative for the terms that are not allowed. You need to refrain from using cuss word and modify them with symbol or number. This strategy needs a lot of creativity and needs a lot of work and finesse, but surely this will make a great solution. There's one of a very popular technique for you to bypass it. Some users find it very successful. That is creating a private bot and adding a greeting with word like NSFW. This technique lets the chatbot know your intention, opening the door for more to open chat. So these are the few ways how you can bypass Character AI filter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.